Hello student, today we will start a new chapter 7th cube and cube root. Cube means to say power 3. Cube root means to say power 1 by 3. Symbol of cube root. Let me start question number 1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? 216, make factor. 216, we can write it as 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2, 3 times 3. Here triplet, 2 and 3 are in triplet. That's why 216 is a perfect cube number. Sum number 1, part second. 128. Prime factor of 128. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 2 remaining, not in triplet. That's why 128 is not perfect cube. Next, third part, 1000. 2 5s are 0s are 0s are factor. 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5, 2 and 5 both are in triplet. That's why 1000 is a perfect cube number. Next is part 100. Prime factor 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Both numbers are not in triplet. That's why 100 is not perfect cube. Next one is part 5th. Prime factor divide by 2 again. Now divide by 3. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 comes 6 times. 3 comes 6 times. That's why 46,656 is perfect cube number. Now the next is sum number 2. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Sum number 2. Prime factor here another triplet of 3 not in triplet. That's why we multiply both sides by 3. Now make triplet, hence cube root of this number is 9. Multiply. Smallest number by which we have to multiply, that is 3, and the answer is cube root of 729 is 9. Part second, 256 prime factor. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Multiply both sides by 2. Now cube root of 512 is 8. Answer. Smallest number by which we have to multiply, that is 2, and the cube root of 512 is 8. Next, part third. (72) prime factor. We can write it as 3 times 2, 2 times 3. 3 is not in triplet. That's why multiply both sides by 3. Cube root of 216 is 6. The smallest number by which we have to multiply, that is 3, and the cube root of 216 is 6. Answer. Next is part fourth. Divide by 3. Again by 3. Three times 3. 2 times 5. 5 is not in triplet. That's why we multiply both sides by 5. Hence, cube root of this number is 15. Multiply. Three, 3, 7, 5. Its cube root is 15. Answer. Next, part fifth, 100. You will try yourself. Easy part. Now the next is sum number 3. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. 81 prime factor. We can write it as 4 times 3. Here extra number is 3. That's why we will divide by 3 both sides. In division, extra number remain out. Hence the cube root of, after division 27, is 3. Smallest number by which we have to divide 3 and its cube root is 3. Answer. Next, is part second. 128 prime factor 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Divide both side by 2. 6 times 2 remaining. Hence the cube root of, after division, 64 and its cube root is 4. Smallest number by which we have to divide, that is 2, and cube root of 64 is 4. Next, let me do part 5th. Third and fourth you will try yourself. Prime factor 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2. 1 time 11. Divide both sides by 11. We have 6 times 2. Hence the cube root of 64 is 4. Smallest number by which we have to divide 11, and the cube root of this number is 4. Now the next is question number 4. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 to 5. How much side cube will he needed to form a cube? Volume of cuboid, we have 50 centimeter cube. To make it cube, we need cuboids. How? 50 is equals to 5 into 5 into 2. 5 is not in triplet, 2 is also not in triplet. That's why we need 1 5. Multiply both sides. 2 times 2 multiply by both sides. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. Cube root of this number is 10. So we need 20 cuboids. To make it cube. Thank you.